Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful times for manifesting, right before bed. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use your nighttime routine to reflect on your day, practice gratitude, and set clear intentions for the next day to help you manifest your dream life while you sleep. The time before bed is incredibly powerful because your mind is in a relaxed, receptive state. This makes it the perfect time to reflect on your day. Take a few minutes to mentally go over what happened today. Acknowledge your wins, recognize areas where you could grow, and just let yourself observe without judgment. This reflection isn't about criticism. It's about releasing any lingering energy so you don't carry it into the next day. By doing this, you allow your mind to wind down and let go, clearing space for your manifestations to take root. Remember, manifestation thrives when you're not holding on to negativity or stress. Once you've reflected on the day, the next step is to practice gratitude. Take out your journal and write down 3 to 5 things you're grateful for from today. They can be big or small. Maybe you had a delicious meal, connected with a friend, or simply enjoyed a beautiful sunset. When you shift your focus to gratitude, you raise your vibration, and this energy aligns you with the things that you're trying to manifest. Gratitude is a key ingredient for manifestation. The more you focus on what you appreciate, the more the universe will give you to be grateful for. Now that you reflected and shown gratitude, it's time to set your intentions for the next day. And yes, you can manifest while you sleep. Before you drift off, spend a few minutes visualizing the life you're manifesting. See it, feel it, experience it as it's already yours. Your subconscious mind is incredibly active while you sleep, so when you fall asleep with a clear intention, it continues to work on manifesting those desires for you. You can also say positive affirmations like, I am attracting my dreams effortlessly, or everything I desire is on its way to me. These affirmations will stay with you even as you sleep. So, as you can see, those few quiet moments before bed can be the most powerful time to manifest the life you want. By reflecting on your day, practicing gratitude, and setting clear intentions, you're giving your mind and the universe the direction it needs to bring your dreams to life. Try this routine tonight and let me know in the comments how it goes. Remember, your dreams are just a thought away from becoming your reality. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on manifesting your dream life. Until next time, bye guys.